Good morning, students. We were on exercise 3.1, completed 3 questions. Let us come to the 4th question. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. They have shown the figure on the page number 41. I have written side angle sum. Next is say, what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides? I have written this. Like you can see there is a table I have drawn, box side. If the sides are 3, then angle sum is 180. If the sides are 4, angle sum is 2 multiply 180. So we can write it 4 minus 2 multiply 180. This is given in your question. If the number of sides are 5, then the sum is 3 multiply 180 means 5, 3, we can write 5 minus 2 multiply 180. Next comes to 6. If the numbers are 6, then the angle sum is 4 multiply 180. We can write 4 as 6 minus 2 multiply 180. So what is the relation you have find out in this? We say that in every case, if we take number of sides, 4 sides 4, 5, 6 and we subtract 2 in each cases, 2, 2, 2. From number of side, 2 is subtracted and when it is multiplied by 180, we get the angle sum. So what is the rule? We will take number of side like in this question. According to this rule, sides are 7, sides is equal to 7. So what will be the angle sum? Angle sum is equal to according to side minus 2 multiply 180. We can find it. So this will be 5 multiply 180. Now comes to next. What will be the angle sum? Sides are 8. 8 minus 2 multiply 180. Sides are 9, so angle sum sides minus 2 multiply 180. Sides are 9, so angle sums rule is same. 9 minus 2 multiply 180. Now we will solve this. So after calculation, the answer will be like this. 5 multiply 180, 6 multiply 180, 8 multiply 180. So the result when we have obtained from the number of sides, we will subtract 2 and when we will multiply it by 180, so we get the angle sum. Now the fifth question is, what is a regular polygon? Name of the regular polygon which has sides given. So firstly, what is regular polygon? In our introductory video we have discussed it. A polygon whose all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Like equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angle measure is 60 degree. Like square, in the square all sides are equal and measure of each angle is 90 degree. Now comes to number of sides given. Name of the regular polygon we have to ask. If the sides are 3 sides makes a triangle and if all sides and all angles are equal, then we say it a equilateral triangle. 4 sides are equal, 4 angles are equal, then the regular polygon is square. 6 sides, if 6 sides are equal, then we say it regular hexagon. Now sixth question, we have the given figure. In the figure, this angle 50, 130, 120, we have to find out the x. So by angle sum property, we know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. This is a quadrilateral, so 50 plus 130 plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 360. These are the 4 angles. So when we add this, we get 300 degree plus x is equal to 360. Rule is same as we have done in the linear equation. X will be on left hand side and 300 will go on the right hand side. It is positive, it becomes negative. 360 minus 300, the answer is 60. So value of x is equal 360 degree. Now B part figure is given. This angle is not given, but this angle is given. This is sign of that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this angle and this angle, they form a straight line. When two angles join and they form a straight line, their sum will be 180 degree because these angles are called linear pair. Linear pair angle sum is 180 degree. So we have angle A, we have named it A, B, C, D and E. A, D, E 90 degree plus A, D, C, both these angles, okay, is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these are linear pairs angles, and angle ADE is equal to 90 degree. So angle ADC, from here this will go this side positive, it becomes negative, and we will put the value of angle ADE. ADE value is 90, so we get the value of angle ADC. ADC, this value, this is of 90 degree. Now we have to find out the angle X in ABCD by angle sum property. By angle sum property, the inside angle, interior angle of a quadrilateral sum is 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. What is angle A? X, angle B 70, angle C 60 and angle D, we are talking about the inside angle. Angle D is 90 degree. After calculation, we get X is equal to 140 degree. Now C part is, we have given this figure. In this figure there is X and X 30 degree. We have named it A, B, C, D, E. Exterior angle 70, exterior angle 60. Firstly we will find out these and these angles. These two angles, so these are linear pair. So angle 70 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 70, it is 110. Next come to this angle, angle 60 plus this angle is angle C. 180 degree, linear pair. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 60, angle C is equal to 120. Now the sum, angle A plus B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to, we have derived a formula in our question number 4 that number of sides minus 2 multiply 180 degree will be the equal to the sum of the angle. Number of sides here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 multiply 180. So 3 multiply 180, we get 450. And we have add the all angle like 30. This angle X, this angle value we have taken. Angle C is equal to 110. Sorry, 120. Angle D 110. And again this is X. After solving, we get X is equal to 140 degree. Next is, we have given this figure. All angles are equal, sides are also equal. They have given the equal side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. When there are 5 sides and they are equal, it is called regular pentagon. 5 sides. So we know angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to number of sides minus 2 multiply 180. So it will comes number of side 5, 5 minus 2, 3 multiply 180. Here all angles are equal. They are represented by X. So X, X, X. These becomes 5X is equal to 540. X is equal to 540 divided by 5. It's in multiply. It comes in the division. When we cut out, we got X is equal to 108. Now the 7th question, the figure is given like this. We have to find out the value of X plus Y plus Z. To find out X, you can see 90 plus X makes a linear pair. There someone will be 180. Like Z plus angle 30 linear pair, there someone will be 180. So we have done 30 plus Z. This is equal to 180. We have written linear pair. So value of Z is equal to 150 degree. Now comes to this. X plus 90, 180 degree, again linear pair. So X is equal to, when we solve it, we get 90 degree. We get value of this, we get value of this. But what about Y? We have exterior angle property. property. What is exterior angle property? That if this is a triangle, we can say that this is the triangle and 90 and 30 are the interior angle. And y is the exterior angle of the triangle. So what is the angle sum property? That the sum of two interior angle is equal to the opposite exterior angle. So sum of 30 plus 90 will be equal to their opposite exterior angle is y. So we have written, so by exterior angle property, y is equal to 90 plus 30. Exterior angle is equal to opposite to interior angle. So y will be 120. So now we have got the value of x, y and z. We will add these, we get the answer 360 degree. Okay, where which property you will use, you will write its name, and the linear pair, this which type of angle these are, we will write it here. Next question, the figure is given, we have to find out x, y, z and w. Linear pair, linear pair, linear pair, linear pair. Okay, we have written this angle name f, and this is all are given. We have x plus 120, 180, we will write it linear pair. Okay, here is also we will write linear pair. Next is also we will write it here linear pair. Okay, all are, we have taken x 60, y is equal to 100 and z is equal to 120. Now we have find out the x, y and z. What about the w? W is here, but if we take, I have taken it name f, w plus f. There is some 1b, 180. If we can find out f, then we can find out w also. So we know, but we know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus angle f is equal to 360. After calculating, we get f is equal to 100 degree. If f is 100, then what will be the f? By linear property, w plus f is equal to 180 degrees. So w is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. So now we have to find out, we have x, y, z and w value. So when we add this, we get 360. This is end of our exercise. Thank you students.